James Kruger is in custody to face a number of major violent criminal felonies.
But first at 6, News 3 has learned a mistake at the district attorney's office led to James Kruger's release from jail. The Dane County DA admitting his office messed up Kruger's bail when he appeared in court for another case last week.
Tonight he's back behind bars facing several felony charges. Dane County deputies took the 36-year-old into custody after 1 o'clock today after he crashed a stolen car on 18151 outside Blue Mounds. Jessica Arp is here. She has more on the incident and the DA's mistake.
Well, Kruger was arrested last week for fleeing an officer and causing a chase at the end of August, but was let out of jail on a signature bond, allowing him to perpetrate what authorities say was a 4-county crime spree. This was the scene just south of Ridgeway. Officers chasing a blue Impala allegedly stolen by James Kruger just moments earlier.
We have a pursuit of a felon. Vehicle has gone over the spikes on 18.
This was where he ended up, in the ditch off 18151 after hitting spikes put out by deputies and rolling the stolen car.
This afternoon brings to conclusion a crime spree on the part of James Kruger that has spanned a number of days, resulted in a number of victims.
Kruger was wanted after an alleged stabbing in Madison Monday, but he went from there to Cassville in Grant County, where the sheriff says he invaded a home, stole weapons, and took a hostage in a stolen vehicle. The hostage escaped near Dodgeville, and Kruger fled to Hollandale, allegedly stealing another car south of Ridgeway before eluding officers again and crashing on 151.
It had to be one of the most dangerous situations I've ever been involved in my about 25 years of law enforcement. I've never really seen a person drive with the intent to elude officers and to get away from somebody like Mr. Kruger.
But News 3 has learned Kruger was on the street because of a mistake in the district attorney's office last week, where the assistant DA asked a judge only for signature bond on the eluding officer's charge from August, believing a probation hold would keep him in jail. That probation had ended 2 weeks earlier.
If he was still in custody, obviously he wouldn't have had the ability to do what he has done. We are lucky that we have not lost any lives with this individual. We are not perfect, and with the volume we have, the staffing levels we have, you know, the fact that we do not make these mistakes often is reassuring to me and hopefully reassuring to the public.
Ozanne says the assistant district attorney will likely not face any discipline, and he says this was simply a mistake. As for Kruger, he will likely face a number of felonies and possible federal charges. It is not clear which county will be handling these cases, as Iowa, Grant, Lafayette, and Dane all taking part in this today.
Good reporting today. A long day and at times a dangerous day for Jessica Arp and photographer Mike So out there. Jess, thank you very much.